the moment I've been waiting on. I ain't gonna lie, when you have a good woman in your life, this is what happens. So I already cut it. So it's the ASUS ROG Phone 2. Just 12 gig RAM, 512 storage. I don't know how I supposed to be doing this with one hand. I can't get it open. Oh, there we go. So this is the fan. Documents always not. And the phone. So this is so sexy way. Oh man. The rest are there for right now. Case it comes with. That is gorgeous. This the SIM thingy, the document. Rest that to the side. So this is the 30 watt ASUS wire. There's the rubber, I think. For that, and this extra rubbers. I have no idea what this is. Oh, for the fan. Just go at the bottom of my fan. There. Oh man. The fan. I think it opens up. It's so difficult doing this with one hand. Oh, there we go. So cool. And the finale. Fast. I think this lights up. Well, I know it lights up, but so I just set it up real quick. I did the face unlock of the phone. Oh man, this is so apparently you squeeze and it turns on X mode. Oh man. Mother sick, that finished already? So I had it downloading Call of Duty. But it took less than 5 minutes. What the hell? This phone keep cutting out, man. But what is so awesome about this, babe? Like, oh, you see? It actually changed. That is so sexy. But what is so awesome? Because the router is ASUS, and well, this the same brand, the same name brand. The shot actually detected it. I wish I know that the phone I'm recording with, this, it didn't catch it, but so I haven't tried this yet. So it's on 45%. High. I already took the rubber piece out that was in that. And then something came up saying not to plug in the charging cable until where the red is. So I guess that's more or less like a data thing. But no, how? Alright. So oh, it lights up. It lights up. I have to redo that. I didn't do it properly. I was rushing over excitement. Oh. Lights up. Dude, that is super quiet. So let me see. So I logged in. But this is like wait, it's loud, but this thing's super loud, but oh man, and it's still lit up. So the accent corner. This thing is like, it's long, but like look at my hand for comparison. This is long. I definitely gotta get a screen protector and I know most likely change the case. This is sexy. What? Oh man, so let me see. Look at that play. Graphics max, very high. And then those are the options. Oh, I go missing for days. Where's YouTube? It actually came with asphalt on it. YouTube.
slipping off the edge, out of phase, watching you pretend. Every weekend we hitchhike to hell, and you only think of yourself. If we're going